Silky beat.
Realme GT Neo 5 just launched before 2 days. New technology, high refresh rate OLED display, flagship grade processor, 16GB LPDDR4X RAM, Sony IMX890 flagship camera sensor, 240W fast charging, IR remote and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and depth review of the Realme GT Neo 5, a flagship grade phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's get to the unboxing. In the box content, we have got black colored protective case, 240W power adapter with Type-C output and a 12A data cable. Let's peel off the plastic of the phone and talk about the design and build. The new purple fantasy version of the phone has a slightly different design that keeps the texture of the previous generation, and the three color schemes released this time have made changes to the overall look and more creativity and innovation. The Realme GT Neo 5 is made of the one piece of glass that has a new technology that make it frosted and silky. It has 4 different looks and feels, including see-through glass, black, matte and shiny. The back has a 54.2-degree angle that feels good whether you hold the phone vertically or horizontally while playing games. The back camera on the Realme GT Neo 5 has a metal part on the left and the transparent part on the right. The transparent part on the right uses a new process that make it completely transparent. This allows you to see the real inside structure of the phone, including parts like NFC coils, light strip and the screws. There is no residue of the extra particles and there is a special stainless steel nameplate in the middle. That's the simple and unique. It's worth mentioning that the phone has a circle of RGB lights on a ring of lights that change colors. There are 25 colors and the 5 speed that you can adjust. For example, when the battery is low, less than 20%, the light will show the red color, and when it changes to 21%, it will turn purple. And it will turn purple when it's fully charged. This means you can see the battery status just by looking at the light. Another example is when you play the game Glory of King. When you turn on the GT mode, the light will turn purple. When you kill opponents in the game, the light will change the color, and when you win the game, the light will turn purple again. The breathing light on the Realme GT Neo 5 can be used in many ways in your daily life. When you get a call, the light will flash quickly. When you get a strong notification, the light will be white. When you take a photo, the light will show on a countdown with orange color. You can also set exclusive light effects for the contacts and each app, so it's more fun to use when other phones with similar lights. The front of the Realme GT Neo 5 has a 6.74-inch AMOLED screen and supports 10-bit display and has a high screen to body ratio of 93.69% and a thin chin of 2.31 mm. This provides a great visual experience. The screen has a resolution of 2772 by 1240 with 450 ppi density, and it supports 2160Hz PWM dimming to reduce the eye strain while keeping the color accurate in the low light. This screen uses the latest screen driver IC technology and a new generation of high quality T7 Plus luminescent material, which result in the low power consumption and the high brightness of 1400 nits. Before leaving the factory, each screen is individually calibrated to ensure the accurate color display. The Realme GT Neo 5 has a 144Hz refresh rate and it's compatible with the many popular mobile games such as Call of Duty, Crossfire, etc. The screen can automatically switch between the 7 different refresh rates such as 40, 45, 60, 72, 90, 120 and 144 Hz depending on the situation to save power. Realme GT Neo 5 has a powerful combination of the hardware, including the Snapdragon 8 Plus processor and the display chip, LPDDR4X RAM and the UFS 3.1 storage. The version we have is a 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The Realme GT Neo 5 has a high performance score on the benchmark app Antutu, reaching over 1.11 million points when the GT mode is turned on. On the Geekbench 5, it scored 1266 in the single core and the 3935 in the multi-core performance, which is average compared to the other mobile phone using the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. The Realme GT Neo 5 uses a cooling system called the iScore Dual Phase Cooling System Max, which helps the phone stay cool even when under the heavy use. In a test using the 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme, the phone was able to maintain stability of 95.2% of the time. The phone's performance did start to decline after 30 minutes, but the cooling system helps to keep it from overheating. The Realme GT Neo 5 also has the game optimization that helps improve the gaming experience. When the GT mode is turned on, the touchscreen responds very quickly, making it it great for the fast-paced game. The phone also has a 4D vibration feature that adds to the realism of the game. The touchscreen is also certified for the high sensitivity, making it even better for gaming. Realme GT Neo 5 has made a fast charging a better experience. It has the latest technology for the fast charging like 240-watt charging, 12 ampere cable with a 240-watt dual gallium nitride design that make it possible to charge the phone quickly in 30 seconds and still use it for the 2 hours. The fast charging is safe and has been approved by the TÜV Rheinland certification. It can be used for the 1600 cycles and compatible with up to 65-watt PD charging. The fast charging is fast, safe, long-lasting and compatible. Realme GT Neo 5 has a 3-camera setup with the Sony IMX890 main camera, a 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and the 2-megapixel macro camera. The main camera has a large f1.88 aperture, supports optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization for better video stability, and has a super anti-sag algorithm. The color of the main camera is good and not oversaturated, while the ultra-wide-angle camera's color is weaker, and it's recommended to use the main camera for shooting. You can see the sample photos. Realme GT Neo 5 with 240-watt fast charging supports cost of CYN 3,199, roughly £390 in UK and $475 US. The variants come with the 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. There is also a variant with 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage that is priced CYN 3,499, roughly 440 UK pound and $520 US. Realme GT Neo 5 has many impressive features such as the fast 240-watt charging, a powerful Hello system, high-end 16GB 1TB storage variant, infrared remote control, Dolby Atmos dual speaker, X-axis linear motor and the enhanced NFC. It also has the latest Snapdragon 8 Plus UFS 3.1 storage and the LPDDR5X technology. Overall, Realme GT Neo 5 is a top-of-the-line gaming phone that offers a great experience for its price range. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends, and lastly subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.